happy with the way this turned out.
Okay, kids, welcome back. Today we're going to 3D print a holder for our keys. So I went into Thingiverse, I searched around, I found this. It's called Key Rack. I like this one, so I downloaded it, and now we're going to bring it up in Cura, slice it, and send it over the printer. Losing them. So we're in Cura. Let's open up the file. I downloaded this file from Thingiverse. Here it is right here, key holder. Comes in, looks pretty big. Let's see, it's 203.2 millimeters. So it's almost 8 inches. That's way too big. So let's just make it half of that. Let's go 100. We're going to uniform scale. Okay, that looks pretty good. So that's about 4 inches. Let's bring down our drop down. Let's do it in draft. We're going to leave all this stuff the same. Infill 20%. Here, build plate. We don't want a brim or anything. Let's do none. Okay. Looks pretty good. Slice it. 28 minutes. I think it looks pretty good. Let's preview it. I can live with it. All right, let's save it to disk. 3D prints. This is the file name. And let's save it. Okay, that's it. Off to the 3D printer. One thing I wanted to show you guys before we went to the printer, we have to copy the G-code file onto the SD card. I've had some questions about that. So I have my card reader hooked up, and you see it down here. It's called No Name. So now let's open this up. This is all the files that are on that card. See all the G-codes. It's stuff that I've printed recently. So now let's go over here to the computer, find our G-code, which it was key holder right here. Just copy it over, just like that. So this is, over here is the folder on the computer, and this is the folder in the SD card that the 3D printer will get the G-code files from. Now off to the printer.
All right, we're back. All right, we're at the printer, and hopefully you guys can see this. Hit print. Uh-oh. No files. Something's wrong. Something's wrong here. Print. There we go. And the first one is our key holder. Select that. Select print. The light lights up. Okay, there we go. Looks good. 34 minutes. I'm happy with the way this turned out. Little notches for the keys. work out good. Now we have to go install it. All right, it's time to mount this thing. We're gonna put it right here. All right, it's mounted. Let's see how it works. Not bad. There we go. No more lost keys. Thanks for watching.